Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. Today I'm doing my Thanksgiving dinner. Well, actually Thanksgiving will be tomorrow, technically, so happy Thanksgiving. If you missed part one where I was doing a lot of the prep and some of the side work, it will be down in the description, plus the end card will have it. And yeah, so I just slid some biscuits in the oven, so I'm going to do a few other things. And then we'll start cooking. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so the biscuits are going to come out in 2 minutes 40 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and get my chicken started. Now, I couldn't really Google a recipe, but I did find a few things. It's like you don't want to wash the yogurt off. Come on out. And make sure you throw this bag away because it's got well, it's got raw chicken in there, so. Alright, let's get these biscuits out. Go ahead and turn the oven off, but then I'm going to turn it back on and turn it up to 400 for the chicken. Those look fantastic. Nice. Tell you what, it sure smells good. Even though it's raw chicken, but it's got a really nice smell to it. Now I'm going to put these in for probably about 40 minutes because of how thick they are. So give these guys a flip. Alright, let's get these guys in the oven. They're probably gonna they might even need an hour, but we'll see. Alright, so I got a small little issue. I kind of jumped the gun on the potatoes, so they're actually boiled. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the mash, even though it's about 28 minutes early. And because mashed potatoes are going to hold their heat really well, so gotta get them strained. Potatoes are strained. Gotta add some salt, white pepper. What I've got here is I've got some butter and milk. Pour some of that in there. Plug in my beater. I only have one because I can't find the other one. And I've been meaning to get a new one for a long time and just never have. I'm a slacker. Yep. I need more milk. More moo. More butter. I was actually watching a video on like top 5 recommended kitchen tools, and one of them was get a ricer, but I don't really make mashed potatoes all that often, so put the rest in. And of course, you might have noticed I had the skins on, because I'm a skins on my mash kind of guy. And I don't care if there's lumps in it. Lumps just give it character. Smash those lumps down. Alright. Come on. Sit flat. Like always. Gotta taste them. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're moving right along. Mash, you're done. Got the water going for the stuffing. Got a plate out because I want to take the I want to make gravy with the chicken drippings. Got my vegetable pan started. Got my flour ready. Gonna put the cast iron skillet right here, which you can't see. Right here, just pull it out, set it, temp it, see if we're gravy, and then if it's cooked through, I move it to the plate, set it on the burner, start making gravy. We should be good. Got a whole new box of chicken broth right here. Haven't opened it yet. Oh, I need my bacon fat too. So, gotta have my bacon fat. Water's starting to boil, so stuffing is done. I think I might do, I got 5 minutes on the timer still, but I'm going to go ahead and pull the chicken and temp it. See where we're at temperature wise. Yeah, look at those. Looks like they shrunk a bit too. Hang on. Sorry, I'm trying to multitask. Let's see if we're happy. We are happy. We are completely cooked. Maybe a little over, but sweet. Gonna turn the burner back on. Burner should still be hot. Get these pulled out. I want to add my fat. I want to make a lot of gravy, so wow. Hand almost just for like a second touched that skillet. Ouch. Okay, let that cool down. Turn down the heat a little bit. Really important I don't screw up this. I don't want to burn any of this goodness. melt, damn it. Probably pretty close. 1/4 cup of I do want to make a lot of gravy because I want to make enough for a couple days worth. Alright. Looks like there's some dark bits, but I don't think that's burned. So I did put some seasonings in there. Alright, so the gravy actually took the entire container of stock, so I got plenty of leftovers. Okay, I'm gonna cut. Just straight cut it in half. And I'm just gonna kind of cut it like this. Oh, come on. Don't lose any of that goodness. And now I need a spoon. Okay, I need a clean hand, and then I need a spoon. Ow, 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 ow. Damn my hip. Alright. Sweet. Alright, that's how she's looking. A little pepper. Got my biscuits right here, which I already ate 2 while I was waiting. I was just gonna eat the small one, and I thought, well, gotta eat the other one too. Got a big dollop of homemade cranberry sauce, which I cooked first, hadn't tasted yet. So, let me adjust the camera. Oh man, nailed it on the cranberry sauce. So good. Try that chicken. I'm really curious how it's gonna be with the yogurt. Wow, it is really tender. Oh man. Dry green bean. Yeah, those mashed are still hot even though they've been sitting for like 25 minutes. Oh man. I made a mess. Wow. Everything's really good. That chicken, man. Try that yogurt. Try that yogurt marinade. It's something else. The chicken is just so tender. Really tender. My new favorite way of doing chicken now. Alright, this is my dinner, so I'm going to go enjoy my meal. I do want to thank you for watching. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Links will be in the description for Cast Iron Wednesday. Yesterday's video. I'm going to try to get last week's video in there too, but if you check the playlist, my videos are on there. Thank you to Shovel at 8. I'm going to go enjoy my meal. Have a good one. Enjoy your holiday, and we'll see you in the next one.